Morning.
Good morning.
It's train Ella to Kandy, take 2. So we're gonna be going from here, and this is the train track all the way up to here. Kandy. Okay, Ella to Kandy, the train take 2. This time we have a real ticket. I don't know if I can recommend 12 go after my experience, and I don't think I can get a refund for the extra amount we paid for the ticket. So really I would recommend coming to the train station and doing your best to convince them to give you a real ticket on the spot, because they kind of like to say, come back tomorrow, it's okay, there will be space, and then they say, oh sorry. So plan in advance, not the day before, not 2 days, maybe like at least a week before. Yeah, so here we have all our stuff, and Milenchik.
Hi.
And this time we have a real physical ticket. I'll show you what it looks like. And we have a train in about an hour. So we got here early and we're waiting, we're chilling. So here we are, take 2. So cool that people are just walking on the tracks. If you just get online ticket, it's not enough. You need to come to the station and you need to get this thing called an M ticket.
Don't be Mali and John.
Yeah, that was our mistake. We have some blue skies, we have some rainy skies. I'll show you when the train is coming. What's up, boy? Ella to Kandy, take 2! Alright, bye-bye Ella. We have this cool panoramic cabin. For now the fans are not working. Here's Mali. Okay,
Finally, well, on the train.
Yeah. So we're sitting on the left side for now because it looks like we have some empty spaces. We're gonna show you the beautiful views very soon. It's been 1 minute and it's already beautiful. So Mali and I got seated here on the train. It's really cool. We're on this old train. Really old train. Look at this tray table. Yeah, look at this. Look at this tray table. Isn't that nice? Wow, guys, looks like a perfect, clean surface to eat my meal off of, and wow, the craftsmanship, it's completely 100% straight, not at all crooked. So yeah, I advise just trying not to touch anything, but at least the seats are new and clean, unlike this disgusting thing. I might clean it soon. Nasty. That's pretty nasty. Wow. We're gonna see real Sri Lanka. And unlike many Western countries where they would never let you do this, in Sri Lanka you can literally lean out of the train. You can just lean out of the train and vlog and say hello to the people. Hello! You can shoot really cool angles. Hello! Alright! Hello! Have you ever seen such low safety standards that lead to so much fun? I don't want to get my head knocked off. This is Mali looking out. She really thinks it's cool, huh?
very cool.
Now we're going pretty fast, so maybe we'll lean out more later when the going is slower. Don't want to fall off. We're probably hurt, and there's probably not really a way to get back on the train. We're riding now through Mandarahuela. We're still we're right in the beginning of our journey. Look at this. Chugging along. Driving through some beautiful tea fields. The sun is shining, there's a really light rain. It's like, this is so cool. Once in a lifetime. Guys, at least take the train from Ela to Waterfalls. Kandy is a long one, but this part is, wow, so beautiful. Wow. Look at this.
Action.
Action.
Action. Hello. Look at me. Nice day.
Hey, we have a quiet moment at this train stop. Wow, guys, we are enjoying the ride so much. Look at this. I mean, I'm gonna show you a lot more on the way, but yeah. And here's Milan cheeks.
If you hear it, you have to try it because it's a once in a life experience.
Yeah,
Wow.
really. At least do Nuaru Elia to Ela or the opposite. But actually, I think we've been on the train for 3 hours and we were really surprised because it just feels like half an hour went by. It's so beautiful that I wouldn't mind staying on this train forever.
Me too.
Except for food and showers and stuff, but we're not thinking about that right now because we had a really good morning. We had a good shower, good breakfast and everything.
Yes.
So, good thing they didn't let us on yesterday. Also, we got a pretty chill day, like kind of empty. Like, we can sit wherever we want, the door's empty. Alright, we're about halfway there. It's around 4 o'clock now. And we're gonna be arriving in Kandy at 8 o'clock, last stop. And look who I found! I'm looking back every few seconds so we don't go through a tunnel and I lose my head literally. I'd like to keep my head attached to my body, thank you.
The Sri Lanka railway system was initially built in 1864 to transport goods, mainly tea, between the island's plantations and the harbor of Colombo. Over the years, the railway system was expanded to provide transportation to passengers as well. Today, it's the main mode of transportation in the country and offers a wide range of services, from local and express services to luxury sleeper trains. It has thousands of kilometers of track and is the only railway system in South Asia to offer such a wide range of services. In addition to providing transportation services, the railway is also known for its scenic routes, providing travelers with stunning views of landscapes and wildlife, along with a glimpse of the country's rich history.
Wow. This might be the most beautiful view I've ever seen. Wow. Look at this. This looks like a fairy tale, not like real life. We're just here in Nanu Oya Station, Nuaru Elia,
That's the name of the station. It's one of the most beautiful things I've seen in my life, the last 20 minutes of this train. And the last 4 hours are also some of the most beautiful views I've seen in my life, so I don't know what to tell you. This was a really good decision. Right?
Wow. Very good decision.
Yeah. Mali took some really good photos on her phone. And we're continuing to Kandy. We have a little bit more of a drive left. Now we continue to Kandy. How long have we been on the train?
Something like 5 hours and a half.
Wow, what nice light, you're so pretty. Alright, got some guys saying hello. Yeah. Going into a tunnel, the sun is setting. We still have a few hours to Kandy. Opa, watch out. Enjoying the last flight. As you can see, guys, it's getting dark. I hope you enjoyed watching the train ride up to now. So it's just me and Mali here, the last brave soldiers on the train to Kandy. Look, empty. Empty. And we have another 3 hours to go in the pitch black. But it was definitely worth it for what we saw up until now. We actually got an offer from a cab driver who told us that this was what was going to happen, and he offered to take us for a pretty good price to Kandy from Nuwaru Elia. But we decided we're gonna tough it out on the train all the way. So hopefully it's an experience to remember, and the last few hours of the ride go smoothly. Okay, quick update. We're here in the pitch black of the night on our 9th hour of train, and we were told it would be maximum 7 hours, and we were like, okay, we're ready for that. But it's actually gonna be 10.5 hours, probably. Because it turns out this is a goods train, not a passenger train. They just attached this cabin to the passenger train. But I don't even know how to explain to you.
Just show them the door.
Look, it's like a horror movie, guys. It's like an absolute horror movie, and we're the only people on this train. And
Night.
day and afternoon.
I don't
and
know
morning.
how it's become a night, but that's what happened.
Yeah, we thought we were gonna get to Kandy like 8:30. You know, something
So
semi.
Too innocent.
Too innocent.
That's why they had a bunch of tickets for this one. Okay, bye. Okay, that was crazy. We got on the train at 12 o'clock. Now it's around 12 at night. We were told the train was maximum 7 hours. Let me tell you, it was more like 11 and a half hours.
Wow.
Sorry for chewing. We got some local food on the way to the hotel. We're here at Sky Deck in Kandy. Right now, my brain isn't working so well. If we had known, we would have done it a little bit differently. We're just gonna try and get our heads screwed on again because right now... Mali. Yeah.
It was a very hard day for me. I expected to come here like at 7 p.m., go to restaurant and eat some dinner, and now I ate fried rice that wasn't tasty to me.
They fried it in so much coconut oil, but it's okay. What? Okay. Okay, bye. Just good night. Good night. See you tomorrow.